we're going to introduce you to a video that we filmed live, and the title of it is The 180-Degree Dental Journey. Mike, why don't you tell us why you picked that title for this presentation?
Well, actually, for the last few years, we work with hundreds of dental practices all over the United States, and we're seeing a trend, and then not a good trend. And so the 180-degree journey was an effort to put dentistry in perspective, and we actually took 6 or 7 areas and tried to spend a lot of time really going through each one of them, and we'll introduce each one of them. But
right.
The first segment that we worked on and kind of introduces the whole mindset of a 180-degree mindset was that maybe the last 15 or 20 years were an aberration in dentistry. That, you know, all of us make decisions, we all work, we all embrace change, or we don't. It's all based on what we've experienced. And so I think the last 15, 20 years has been an aberration. If it has been, then the future of dentistry is going to be greatly different than what we've experienced up till this point. So originally, when we did this live recording, it was recorded and really organized into 7 different categories. Each category took a lot of thought, a lot of study, reflection on the practices we work with, and we put them into the program in an order that we felt was the most logical way to present it to someone, almost like we were consulting with them.
Yeah, not that one's more important than another.
No.
Because they're all critical.
Right, but I think, you know, a lot of doctors and even staffs, if they just looked at the material, they go, I only want this. When really, if you don't get the first part and be competent at it and be able to apply it, it doesn't make sense to go to the next part. And we've seen people do it out of order and they don't get the results. And so, again, we purposely did these in an order that we felt would give you the best possible results when you're in your practice, applying what we're talking about, so that you'll have, and again, I laugh at this, but we've been saying this for 20 plus years. Summit's had a saying that we want you to produce more, collect every bit of it, and keep half.